Howdy, everypony. How y'all doing today? Well, I'm doing just fine. And why? Because we are happy to say that Bride of Discord Episode 1 is 90% complete at this moment. Yeehaw! Yep, that's right. Well, at least the audio part is estimated about 90% complete. And hopefully it'll be released before the end of the month, maybe by next week. It all depends. This video is really to talk about the artwork for it. I have a lot of artwork right now, but for this episode I still need some drawings. Okay, those of you who read the fanfic would understand this. Episode 1 is kind of a merge of chapters 1 and 2. So what I need is a couple drawings for when Pinkie, Applejack, Rarity, and Fluttershy arrive in Canterlot and have dinner with the princesses. I need a drawing for when everybody notices that Fluttershy is depressed. And any other artwork for that episode, I have some people working on it. Well, I think they're working on it. I mean, I asked them to. But if there is something that you're working on that I didn't request, please send it to me, or at least just let me know that you're working on something for this, like for future episodes. So that was just a reminder. Yes, Bride of Discord will be released pretty soon. I'm so excited about this. Oh, I don't know how many of you saw this, but in my last trailer or clip, I said I'll release another clip if I get 950 subscribers before the episode is complete. So, you want another clip and you haven't subscribed yet? Subscribe. Come on, do it. So long, everypony. Stay tuned and subscribe if you want to see Bride of Discord.